Milwaukee 28-21-22 SAWZALL Honest Review. Real cutting results worth knowing before you buy. Ever pick up your reciprocating saw mid-job and feel it bogged down right when the cut matters most? I had that exact moment deep inside a demolition wall. Battery fading, blade slipping loose, complete chaos. The Milwaukee 28-21-22 18-volt lithium-ion brushless cordless SAWZALL reciprocating saw kit changed that experience entirely. Drop a comment below if a slow or unreliable tool has ever cost you real job site time. That knot-in-your-stomach feeling when power drops mid-cut is something every tradesperson recognizes immediately. You swap blades, recharge batteries, adjust speed settings, and nothing truly solves the core power problem. Standard workarounds pile on more frustration and lost minutes. But what if one smarter tool handled all of that automatically through built-in electronics, letting you focus entirely on finishing the job cleanly, quickly, and without interruption? Don't just pick any cordless reciprocating saw. Make sure it has brushless motor intelligence with active overload protection so you never suffer unexpected power loss or tool burnout mid-cut again. That is exactly where the Milwaukee 28-21-22 18-volt lithium-ion brushless cordless SAWZALL reciprocating saw kit became my honest go-to. I discovered it almost by accident while comparing 3 kits the night before a heavy remodel job deadline. Here is what genuinely surprised me. The Power State brushless motor delivers 3,000 strokes per minute with a full 1 1/4 inch stroke, removing more material per pass with noticeably less physical effort. RedLink Plus intelligence communicates with the battery and charger simultaneously, catching overload and overheating before they interrupt your cut. The Quick Lock blade clamp swaps blades in seconds with no tools, even wearing gloves. The built-in LED lights your exact cut line in dark spaces, and the adjustable shoe quietly extends blade life across hundreds of cuts. I think about a contractor finishing a metal stud wall late, nearly missing final inspection. He switched to this kit, completed the entire run confidently, and had footage saved before the deadline. 2 XC 5.0 batteries kept him cutting continuously without a single frustrating stop. After consistent daily use, something quietly shifts in how you work. You stop second-guessing the tool and simply trust it. A tool analyst at Pro Tool Reviews described the Milwaukee 28-21-22 as a professional-grade demolition machine, specifically praising the anti-corrosion blade clamp for reducing costly downtime in wet and harsh environments. A construction influencer who tested the kit across multiple demolition sites said the power consistency kept workflow moving without a single frustrating interruption. One plumbing and HVAC technician highlighted the variable speed trigger for precision cutting through PVC and thin metal ductwork without splintering or snagging material edges. Now, let me be honest about one real limitation. This saw weighs around 8.4 pounds with the battery installed, which matters during extended overhead work. That is a genuine consideration worth knowing up front. But here is the honest trade-off. The XC 5.0 batteries deliver 2.5 times the runtime of standard lithium packs, meaning longer continuous cutting and fewer mid-job stops overall. Ask yourself this: would you rather carry slightly more weight once or swap batteries twice as often throughout a full shift? Over time, the adjustable shoe quietly extends blade life too, and those cumulative savings genuinely add up across every single job. Imagine finishing every cut cleaner, faster, and with a tool that actively protects itself under real pressure. That is the daily working reality thousands of contractors, plumbers, and tradespeople already experience with the Milwaukee 28-21-22 18-volt lithium-ion brushless cordless SAWZALL reciprocating saw kit. Check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment for the best current deal available. Full disclosure, this video contains affiliate links. I only recommend tools I have genuinely tested and honestly believe are worth your hard-earned money.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.